Alright, welcome again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, guys, and in this video let's talk about gold market and let's find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours and as well for the next couple of days, like within 1 to 2 days. Probably let's find out what will happen to the market for the next couple of hours. And before we continue the today analyze, we talk about pound dollar chart over here in this morning in the previous video. Now we can see the current market situation exactly. Market reversed our predicted zone and goes down, and this is the current the next up reverse point. So I'm waiting for until market reach to these areas to make some scalping long trades. So you can watch that video. I'll put the link in the description. And as well, if you can remember my previous yesterday gold analyze, which is this one, exactly a day ago, we predicted that market would go up after create some kind of a market down move and goes up. And exactly now we can see the current market situation. The market was around here when we analyzed the market. A little bit goes down and comes up as we expected. So now let's find out what will happen to the gold market in the future for the next couple of hours. So currently when looking at the chart over here, from here to here, we don't see much pullback to the downside with these strong sellers. Probably we can expect some kind of a market upward move still. And as well, the CPI data about to release in a couple of hours. So that's a big news. So I'm expecting if CPI data goes negative for the US dollar, then we can expect some upward move of gold. But currently, we can see some kind of a market up and down reverse points, strong up and down reverse points for scalping trades and as well for the short-term trades. So, and when we draw a Fibonacci level from this area, from here to here, we can see a market pullback reverse zones, exactly the level 1 zone from over here. So, if market goes up, we could be able to see some kind of a market down reverse point, not from here. Actually, we could be able to see if market touch around this area over here, right? From this area, we might be able to see some kind of market down move. The market doesn't need to go up to this area. If market goes up like about this area, then we could be able to find out some kind of market downward move from this area. And if market goes down without going up, if market continues to down to these areas, yeah, then we could be able to see an up reverse point from this area over here. So these are my major up and down reverse point currently, because this area is kind of a very strong high volatility, high volume area for an uptrend. In CPI data too, expected as a forecast, they say that CPI data goes negative for the US dollar. So if that happens, exactly we could be able to see market up move, a major up move. So I'm assuming that if the market will go up because of this CPI data that about to come today, then this downtrend is a retest to make a new uptrend. So if market goes down, probably then we could be able to see the market will reverse around this area over here, high volume area. If the market goes up, then we could be able to see market down reverse point for scalps around this area. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll update with another video. Keep an eye these reversing points, guys. Stay tuned.